Well, first of all, they're a tiny part of the S&P 500 index. They're only about 4.5% of the index.
Yeah, guys, and just taking a look at the markets right now, we're watching the NASDAQ that is the weakest out of the major averages.
Are you tired of investing your hard-earned money in companies that only care about their bottom line, with no regard for the planet or society? Well, it's time to put your money where your values are and invest in green businesses that prioritize sustainability and social responsibility. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of green business and revealing the top 10 green business stocks to buy. But that's not all. We're also going to uncover why investing in these companies is not only good for the environment, but also for your wallet. Our number 10, we have Sunrun. Sunrun is responsible for a paradigm shift in the solar energy industry. After installing around 20% of the solar panels in the United States, it is now considered to be one of the most successful sustainable energy enterprises in the nation. The mission of the organization is broader than just assisting more homeowners in the installation of solar panels. By the use of virtual power plants, they are pioneering an entirely new frontier in the solar industry. Customers are able to profit from their extra solar electricity by storing it in batteries and then selling that power via virtual power plants. The firm has made amazing progress over the last several years, one of which being the purchase of Vivint Solar, which was formerly its primary source of competition. In addition, Sunrun has been in the forefront of lobbying for government legislation that promotes the expansion of environmentally friendly energy sources. In this approach, it promotes good improvements in the renewable energy industry that are intended to be beneficial to the environment. The average price of a share is $21.06. Our number 9, we have Ormat Technologies. Aura is the industry leader in geothermal energy, and the company has activities in Africa, Southeast Asia, the United States, and Central America. While geothermal energy isn't quite as well known as solar electricity, it's making significant headway in countries all over the world. The corporation runs 25 power plants in different parts of the globe, and it is responsible for a variety of tasks relating to the facilities, including building and administration. Also, as a component of their overall corporate structure, they are active participants in the areas of administration, energy storage, power, and several other business sectors. Aura is well known for its pioneering work in the fields of design development, construction of recovered geothermal power plants, and operation of these facilities. During the course of the last several years, they have been increasing the size of their portfolio in Kenya, Honduras, and the United States. Republic Services comes up at number 8 on our list. Republic Services Group is an organization that focuses on recycling and trash management. They operate close to 200 landfills throughout the United States, making them the second biggest waste management organization in the country. The production of renewable energy via recycling is the organization's primary goal. The company's primary emphasis is on the disposal of non-hazardous garbage generated by families, and they believe themselves to be an ecologically responsible business. RSG is a massive organization with more than 30,000 people, making it one of the largest in the world. In addition to this, their stock is regarded as a strong buy by financial analysts. Although the firm does not yet operate on a worldwide scale, it is a fantastic choice for investment since it serves 14 million clients all throughout the United States. Price per share of $117.68 on average. On number 7, we have Maui ASA. Maui ASA is an ecologically conscious firm with the mission of providing customers with seafood that is harvested in an ethical manner. Investors view Maui ASA to be a secure and reliable firm due to the fact it has been around for a long time and has seen minimal volatility. While it may not be as dynamic as some other new green energy investment firms, it is a good choice for novice investors since it is quite secure. The 2021 report reveals that the firm is on the rise thanks to the growing demand for salmon. This bodes well for the company's future. The farm-raised salmon is a primary emphasis of the firm, which is also engaged in the harvesting, processing, and marketing of the product. Enphase Energy comes in at number 6 on our list. If we were to leave out Enphase Energy from this list, it would be significantly lacking in depth. ENPH is a revolutionary solar energy firm that is distinguished by the fact that each of their solar panels has a collection of microinverters rather than a single inverter. This one-of-a-kind manufacturing process for solar panels ensures reliability in the generation of solar electricity. It makes it impossible for individual solar panels to function. which means that consumers may continue to get solar energy even if one of their solar panels stops functioning. ENPH may not be a very large or well-known firm, but the work that it undertakes places it among the most successful businesses in the field of environmentally friendly technology. The residential market is the primary emphasis of this firm, and as of this writing, they have linked 1.5 million homes with a total of 36 million microinverters. Since ENPH is now available solely in the United States, potential investors in other countries may be wary. Yet it is one of the environmentally responsible businesses that is deserving of investment. NextEra Energy comes in at number 5 on our list. Wind and solar power are the primary areas of concentration for NEE in North America. The corporation has locations in Florida, New Hampshire, and Wisconsin, in addition to Iowa. It has been successful in providing electricity to 5 million homes, which places it among the top green energy enterprises available for investment. In general, they are a well-run firm who are engaged in the production, transmission, and sale of electricity throughout the state of Florida. In addition, it is tasked with the responsibility of developing, constructing, and managing power infrastructure for the purpose of wholesale energy distribution. They are engaged in a variety of operations in addition to operating the division of the firm that deals with renewable energy. Among them include the creation of actual contracts, participation in commercial activity, and advertising. The distribution of gas and electricity to customers in the state of Florida is their primary source of revenue. At number 4, we have Ford. Who doesn't recognize the name Ford? About a century has passed since the establishment of the business, and the company's wares are able to speak for themselves. Ford has been recognized as a leading global car maker for many years. Nonetheless, we are now able to classify it as an environmentally conscious business. In recent years, the company's primary emphasis has been the manufacture of electric vehicles, which has helped to protect the environment from the release of harmful greenhouse gases. Ford is dedicated to making the switch to renewable sources of energy, and at the moment, the company is in the process of putting frameworks in place. Their objective is to power all of their facilities solely with locally sourced renewable energy by the year 2035. In 2022, the firm began the development of its first electric transport van as part of an effort to wean itself off of vehicles that are powered by fossil fuels. Moreover, the corporation is working with local dealerships all around the globe to assist them in minimizing their impact on the environment and reducing the amount of carbon dioxide emissions they produce. NIO comes in at number 3 on our list. NIO is a firm located in China that is well known for pioneering new ventures for intelligent vehicles. In addition to sensors, soft opening doors, and floating car displays, this company has now developed a solid-state battery that can power a vehicle for 620 miles. They have been actively extending their business outside of China over the last several years, and they now have factories in Norway as well as other regions in Europe. The primary goals of the corporation are to promote the use of autonomous vehicles and to lessen the need for automobiles manufactured in Europe. The recent expansion to Europe is an audacious move given that the auto sector is already well established in Europe. Yet, there is a need for powerful electric automobiles, and as a consequence, we anticipate excellent outcomes. The organization is an advocate for a more environmentally friendly and sustainable future. NIO is an excellent investment opportunity if you are seeking some of the most successful businesses in the field of environmentally friendly technologies. At number 2, we have Canadian Solar. The manufacture of everything relating to solar is Canadian Solar's forte, and they dominate the industry on a worldwide scale. Since its inception in 2001, the company has successfully expanded into more than 20 different nations. The firm is not only an industry leader in the production of solar equipment, but it is also actively engaged in the administration of solar facilities. An international supplier of energy, is well known for providing high-quality goods at costs that are competitive. Distributors, installers, and developers of solar projects make up the majority of Canadian Solar's clientele, in contrast to other solar firms that deal directly with end users of their products. In spite of the fact that its stocks in renewable energy recently suffered a significant decline, investors continue to see it as a solid purchase option. The company Beyond Meat comes in at number 1. Beyond Meat is an environmentally conscious food brand that advocates for plant-based diets. It began in California, in the United States, in the year 2001, but it now distributes meat replacements all over the world. The company's goal is to develop sustainable food solutions that do not include the use of meat. One of their most well-known dishes is the plant-based burger, which is suitable for vegans and vegetarians alike. This is the perfect meal for you if you want to cut down on or completely eliminate the intake of meat, but you still want to consume regular things. Since industrial farming of animals is the primary cause of greenhouse gas emissions, this initiative aims to encourage people to transition to plant-based diets. That's all for our list of the top 10 green business stocks to buy. We hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and insightful videos on business, finance, and sustainability. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.